everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another top picks and skips. This is where I share with you guys the new releases and whether I'm interested in picking it up or not. And this is where you guys can interact with me as well to give me your thoughts. And this is kind of like the cheap way of not buying everything to test it out to see if we're going to keep it or not, basically, because we all know we're not rich and we can't buy every single release. And sometimes it's just ridiculous how much releases come out. But before I get into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it, and let's get on with the video. Now, I'm sure I'm going to get lipstick on my teeth because it just never fails that way. I also want to wish you guys a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Happy Friday. I'm so excited. What are we doing this weekend? It is the unofficial start to summer in our area. That means the beach is open, the boardwalk's open. I am dying to have funnel cake, French fries, ice cream, Johnson's popcorn, saltwater taffies, put my feet in the sand. I am dying for this all, you guys, and it's supposed to be a beautiful weekend, you guys. It's supposed to be in the 90s, low 80s, high 90s. So you know we're going to take advantage and use that pool before it is officially out of our lives and we no longer have a pool. So that's what we're going to be doing this weekend. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know what your plans for this weekend are. I know this is a 3-day weekend for most people that work, so enjoy it, you guys. It's supposed to be gorgeous throughout the whole country, so I'm very, very happy that it's finally here. All right, you guys, so we have some releases here, and I haven't really seen anything. I haven't been tagged in anything. So we're just going to go right into it. The first one that I see here is the new Kathleen Lights KL Polish collection. This is her summer collection, and I love these colors. I'm really liking these colors. There's a pink like my lipstick, yellow, royal blue, and orange, a green, and like a deep red. So their names are Tropicana, Matanzas, Cubana, Cha Cha Cha, Mojito, and Celia. So she has them all on here. There's some that are metallic shimmer. Some of them are just like a regular, very pretty. These are available May 29th. I have never purchased any of her nail polishes, but I heard great things about them. If I were into nail polishes, I would get them. It's just very difficult right now for me to purchase anything because we're in the process of packing. So I can't really buy too much, but I would have considered this. Ooh, look at this, you guys. So this, I believe, is, let me check this out. Yes, vegan, cruelty-free. I believe this is a indie brand. This is Spectrum Cosmetics. They have come out with a Little Mermaid themed 6-piece collection, which includes brushes and accessories. So this is super cute. I actually would consider purchasing these for either my daughter because she's liking getting into makeup and things, or even this case for myself. Very pretty. They have a Little Mermaid one that has red brush tips and then blue handles. Then they have Ursula, which is the purple theme. And then they have this case where you put your paddle brushes in. And actually, I really like that case for her. I actually would be interested in that case. This is a UK brand, so everything is UK. So if you're in the States, you'd have to pay taxes and custom fees and all that, and the transition of, you know, like translating the money, what do you call that, the currency, you know, switching it up. But it's £24.99 in UK, so I'm assuming it's like about $35 US. I am assuming, I don't know. Let's see what else we have today. So we finally have the reveal of the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade palette, and I had mentioned last time that I would be interested to see what this is look like. I like this palette. I don't love it, I like it. My only thing is if she would have put the 3 matte shades that are in this palette, if those 3 matte shades were a little bit different, maybe like a purple, like a blue, the yellow can stay, but I feel like that brown and orange are just so repetitive and they kind of stick out like a sore thumb in this palette. I love all the shimmer shades she picked out. I really do. They're very nice and soft pastel, but those 3 matte shades are what's bothering me. If that's the one thing I would change on this palette, but it is pretty. This is a nice intro to colors if you aren't so all up in color, but I love this one as far as, like, say for instance my sister who is not into colors at all, this might be something she might like because she still has those 3 safe colors. I wish those 3 safe colors were a little bit different, in my opinion, because then I would like it more. So Becca Cosmetics has come out with 2 new face palettes. They're $46 each, and it brings a blush, a blur powder, and a contour. And they come in light medium or medium deep. So, you know, Becca always comes out with these kind of sets, and no, palettes. They're more like palettes where you can kind of save yourself money by buying a palette instead of buying each thing individually. This is a great idea for Becca, and I do like that because you do save more money in it, but I don't know if I'm a fan of this. More so because the actual contour and the actual blush are so tiny in it, it kind of looks like it's difficult to get your brush in there. The powders, okay, they're a nice size, but the blushes, I'm like, I don't know about that. If you're into this type of thing, these look nice. I'm not into buying powder products. I have so many powders. I don't need to buy anymore, so I'm not going to buy this. But if you want to save yourself money on Becca products, $46 is actually not bad for these 4 things to try out. So Morphe came out with a new product. Their first ever a bullet lipstick. Mega matte in 5 different red shades. $9 each. The set is for $35. Comes out May 31st. Not interested. Don't even care about it. I have too many reds. And I've even narrowed it down because I had a lot more before and I got rid of so many. So I don't wear reds as often. They're beautiful, but nope. Nothing new to the table. No, thank you. So we have finally a look. This actually comes out tomorrow. As you're seeing, if you're seeing this video on Friday, it comes out tomorrow. This is the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty brand, his brand. He's revealing what it is May 26th. It looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. We don't know yet. The colors look vibrant. I'm very interested to see this because if this is a bright, vibrant, fun palette, I might be interested in this. I've never purchased any collaborations that Manny has done, or was even looking at his brand in all honesty, but if this is promising, maybe. So he'll reveal it tomorrow, so we'll see what that is, and I'll let you guys know next week whether I'm interested or not. We have another sneak peek from MAC Cosmetics. This is a new Studio Fix 24-hour liquid concealer. I do love the fact that MAC is very inclusive, so I know that this product is going to come out in a lot of different colors. My holy grail is the MAC Studio, the one in the pump. That is my holy grail concealer. I have not found anything that has worked as good as that. I don't have to set it. I never see that thing crease. It just blends beautifully, whether my under eyes are super dry or super oily. It works like a charm. So this one looks interesting. I always trust their concealers and foundations because they know what they're doing. And this one, I'm wondering, it says 24 hours, and I'm wondering who's it made for. I heard one person, I read that it said that it hasn't creased and they work for like 12 hours straight. So very curious about that one. So Colourpop it's their birthday month, which means they have come out, obviously that Fortune eyeshadow palette, which has the purples, pinks, rustic red, and oranges, 16 colors. They are also coming out with like a highlighter bronzer duo in 2 different shades, and it looks like this is the Carousel We Go. What is this? I don't know what this is. This looks like liquid lipstick. So yeah. Oh wait, what are these? No, yeah, they're glossy lips. They come in 16 shades. So you're getting eyeshadow palette that has 16 colors, 2 a blush and a highlighter and bronzer, I believe, a highlighter and bronzer, and 16 ultra glossy lips for their birthday. The color variation is pretty on the lip glosses, but I am trying not to buy lip glosses or lip products. And the eyeshadow palette, to me, I have it over and over, so I'm not interested in it. But it's a good buy if you're looking for something to try from Colourpop, or you like Colourpop stuff. I think this is a nice one because you're getting a lot for the price, I'm sure. All right, this one I definitely wanted to talk to you guys about. This is an indie brand. This is the Gimme Glo Cosmetics, and I have followed them for a while, and I've always wanted to try them out. they've come out with an eyeshadow palette. They revealed their eyeshadow palette. They were kind of sneak peeking it last time. This is $54. It's 12 shadows. And looking at it, it looks beautiful. The swatches of these shimmery shades look stunning, you guys, stunning. But here's my thing. I don't like the mattes that they chose. The shimmer shades that I am interested in are only 3 to 4. And as far as the mattes, I only like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. The other 3, I'm like, I have this already. I already have this. It is beautiful. If you want to jump into colors, this is pretty. If you want to try an indie brand, I feel like these are a good one to try. The palette brings a mirror and it looks like you can pop out the shadows. It is a pretty palette, but it's not something unique to my collection. It's not something new. I would prefer to buy the singles than to buy the palette. This is $54, so it's not cheap either for 12 shadows, but it looks like you're getting a nice size pan. So that's something to consider if you're wanting to try them out. So Farsali has come out with another jelly highlighter. I saw their first one. I have yet to even try it, swatch it. It doesn't look so unique to me. I feel like I kind of have that already. But they have come out with a new one, which is called Rose Gold, which is a rose gold. It's a champagne pink with a magenta microfine glitter. It looks very pretty. It really does look pretty. But realistically, how much of this am I going to use? It comes out June 4th on their website. But I'm not going to get use out of this, you guys. I'm already trying to use my liquid ones. This is just not practical for me. And I feel like with the big jar like that and it's opened like that, I'm gonna contaminate the product. Like it's gonna go bad faster than how fast I'm gonna use it because it's such a big jar and you're sticking either your fingers in there, you're sticking a dirty brush in there. You know, it's just so much things to consider. I'd rather have something enclosed that I can control how I'm gonna get it out. So I'm gonna skip out on that one. I'm not gonna get it. Yesterday we had a new highlighter palette from the KKW collection. Yay! It looks like the same old thing you can get from anybody else at a cheaper price, I am pretty sure. That's all I'm going to say about that one. So to update you guys on last week's top picks and skips, I had mentioned to you guys that Huda Beauty came out with a new palette. And it looked very similar to her other 2 palettes. Well, after I posted that, a lot of you guys had commented and let me know that basically that palette is the same one as her first one, just better quality as far as the packaging goes and as far as the eyeshadows went. So it wasn't a new palette, it was just the remake of the first one, which some people are pretty upset about. I'm not going to go into it because I refuse to get into drama, but just look it up and you guys can see all the drama that's behind that one. So obviously I'm not going to get it. And a lot of people are very mad at her for it. And I'd be mad too if I fell for it as well. Alright, so sneak peek of something Tarte is coming up with. Tarte is sneak peeking something that's either berries, something reddish, orangey, kind of like, what would I say it? Like burgundies and pinks and purples. They are sneak peeking something. They are not saying what it is. They are not mentioning if it's eyeshadows, eyeliners, highlighters, something. They're sneak peeking something. We're assuming it's another tartlet in the series. We don't know. I'm hoping it's something different, you guys, because Tarte is becoming boring to me. I love the quality of their eyeshadows in certain formulas, but I feel like they're doing the same thing over and over and over. Too Faced is sneak peeking something else as well. Looks like a collaboration with Pop and Sookie. Pop and Sookie have different beautiful accessories and very clean and elegant design. We have no idea what it is. It is just a box that says it. I don't even know who Pop and Sookie is. Let's look it up. It's accessories. So maybe they're coming out with some special makeup bag that'll say Too Faced on it that they designed. That's what I'm assuming, because all I see is a box. So that would be my guess. As you guys have seen, I'm sure Beauty Blender came out with yet again another colorful or colored beauty blender. I don't know what number this one is. This one's a royal blue or sapphire. yeah, royal blue. So if you like to collect the beauty blenders in the different colors that I think they have like they've had a red, a pink, a mint, a beige, a black. Now they have a royal blue one. So if you're a collector of the beauty blenders in different colors, they have come out with a blue one, a royal blue. I have yet to even use a beauty blender, you guys. I have yet to even purchase one. So if you're into them, there's a new color out. It's available for purchase. All right, guys, I think that is it for this week. There wasn't much releases that I was either interested in. If there is a new release that I didn't mention, let me know in the comment section so I can look it up to see what my thoughts on it, if I'm interested in it or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link all of these down in the description box. Again, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday weekend. Enjoy it. I'm pretty sure you guys are all going to have beautiful weather because I think the whole country is having beautiful weather. So enjoy the 3-day weekend. It should be fun. I will enjoy the sun and you might see me tanner in future videos. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.